Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a close look at a truck that blends classic styling with modern pickup toughness in a truly unique way, the 1948 Dodge Ram 1500 Restomod finished in a stunning olive green paint. While the original 1948 Dodge pickup was built for hard work after World War II, this custom version reimagines that timeless design with the comfort, technology, and performance of a modern Ram 1500. It delivers vintage charm on the outside while offering everything drivers expect from today's premium trucks. Whether you're a fan of classic American pickups, custom builds, or simply love unique vehicles, this olive green masterpiece deserves your attention. Let's explore every detail, from its breathtaking exterior to its luxurious olive interior, powerful performance, and estimated value in today's collector market. Exterior. The first thing you'll notice is the rich olive green finish. This deep military-inspired color perfectly complements the truck's 1948 body lines, creating an appearance that's both rugged and elegant. The glossy paint reflects light beautifully while highlighting every curve of the handcrafted body. At the front, the classic Dodge grille remains the centerpiece. Its chrome bars have been restored and polished to perfection, maintaining the authentic look while adding premium shine. Large round LED headlights fit seamlessly into the vintage design, providing excellent visibility without sacrificing the truck's nostalgic character. The sculpted hood features smooth flowing lines that emphasize the truck's bold personality. Chrome hood trim and carefully restored emblems add authentic details that collectors appreciate. Every panel appears perfectly aligned, showcasing the craftsmanship invested in this remarkable restoration. Moving to the side, the long fenders, running boards, and wide body proportions capture everything enthusiasts love about late 1940s American pickups. The truck sits on modern alloy wheels finished in satin silver with polished accents. Wrapped in high-performance all-season tires, they improve both handling and ride comfort while preserving the truck's classic stance. Chrome door handles, restored side mirrors, and polished window trim complete the premium appearance. Slightly tinted windows provide privacy while keeping the overall vintage aesthetic intact. Around the rear, the wooden cargo bed becomes one of the truck's most beautiful features. Premium hardwood panels combined with polished stainless steel bed strips create a timeless look. The custom tailgate proudly displays Dodge lettering while modern LED taillights improve safety without appearing out of place. A dual chrome exhaust system underneath adds a subtle performance touch, producing a satisfying exhaust note that hints at the power hiding beneath the hood. Overall, every inch of the exterior demonstrates how a classic design can be respectfully modernized without losing its heritage. Interior. Opening the solid metal doors reveals a completely transformed cabin finished in luxurious olive green leather. The seats feature premium stitching with supportive cushioning that makes long journeys surprisingly comfortable. Unlike the original 1948 truck, this custom interior offers the refinement of a modern luxury pickup. The dashboard combines vintage styling with advanced technology. Classic analog gauges remain in place, but hidden digital displays provide accurate vehicle information, navigation, and performance data. Chrome accents across the dashboard create an elegant contrast against the olive leather surfaces. A leather-wrapped steering wheel with polished metal spokes feels substantial in your hands while integrating modern controls for audio, cruise control, and hands-free communication. The center console offers convenient storage compartments, USB charging ports, wireless smartphone charging, and premium cup holders. Modern climate control keeps the cabin comfortable throughout the year, while high-quality insulation dramatically reduces road noise compared to the original truck. Ambient LED lighting subtly illuminates the cabin during nighttime driving, enhancing the premium atmosphere. The sound system delivers crystal-clear audio through carefully hidden speakers that preserve the truck's vintage appearance. Electric windows, power door locks, keyless entry, and a push-button start further demonstrate how seamlessly modern technology has been integrated into this classic pickup. Every stitch, every panel, and every material has been selected to create an interior that feels handcrafted while honoring the truck's timeless heritage. Performance. Although the exterior looks like it came straight from 1948, the mechanical package underneath belongs firmly in the modern era. Many custom builds use the reliable Ram 1500 chassis paired with a powerful 5.7-liter Hemi V8 engine producing approximately 395 horsepower and 410 lb-ft of torque. Power is delivered through an advanced 8-speed automatic transmission that shifts smoothly and efficiently. Acceleration feels surprisingly quick for such a classic-looking pickup, allowing it to keep pace with modern traffic effortlessly. Rear-wheel drive comes standard on many builds, while some custom versions may feature four-wheel drive for improved versatility. Independent front suspension and upgraded rear suspension significantly improve ride quality compared to the original truck. Modern power steering makes parking and maneuvering remarkably easy, while four-wheel disc brakes with ABS provide confident stopping performance. Electronic stability control, traction control, and modern safety systems increase driver confidence without compromising the truck's vintage personality. Whether you're cruising through the city, driving on the highway, or attending classic car events, this truck delivers a driving experience that combines nostalgic styling with dependable modern engineering. Fuel economy naturally isn't its strongest point due to the large V8 engine, but owners typically prioritize character and performance over efficiency. The unmistakable V8 rumble, instant throttle response, and smooth highway cruising make every drive memorable. Price. Since this is a fully customized Restomod rather than a factory-produced vehicle, pricing varies depending on craftsmanship, components, and restoration quality. A professionally built 1948 Dodge Ram 1500 Restomod can typically range from $120,000 to over $250,000. Show quality examples featuring premium paint, handcrafted interiors, upgraded suspension, and extensive performance modifications can exceed $300,000 at collector auctions. While this represents a significant investment, buyers receive something truly special, a one-of-a-kind truck that combines historic American design with modern luxury, reliability, and performance. The 1948 Dodge Ram 1500 Restomod in olive green proves that classic trucks never go out of style. Its timeless exterior, handcrafted olive leather interior, powerful Hemi V8 engine, modern technology, and impressive driving experience create a pickup unlike anything else on today's roads. It's equally comfortable at classic car shows, weekend cruises, and long highway journeys, delivering vintage character without the compromises typically associated with classic vehicles. For enthusiasts seeking the perfect balance between heritage and innovation, this remarkable truck stands among the finest custom builds imaginable. If you enjoyed this detailed review, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest reviews of classic legends, modern supercars, and incredible custom builds. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.